Today, I'm going to show you a full walkthrough of all the Valentine's Day items at Dollar Tree. So come along, watch this video, and let's have a look. So first off, they have these beads. I forgot to see the price on that. Then they have 10 of these 3D stickers for $1.75. I love the skirts. That's a good price. I love getting like dress up stuff like this for my daughter at Dollar Tree because the prices are reasonable. Now this is a great deal. It's 10 for $1.75. If you see my other videos, Dollarama has them actually 4 for $1.50. So that's actually worth it. Then we have, oh, sorry, my daughter wanted to show off in there. Then we have this slinky. The slinkies are 10 for $1.75. So usually there's 20 kids in class. All you need is like 2 packs. It's such an affordable price. Then we have these rubber duckies. Cute rubber duckies. And let's see what else we can find. And this is some decor hearts if you're, doing crafts or decorations or anything. These are so cute. These little teddy bears. There's 6 in a pack. And then we have these DIY airplanes, those foam airplanes. And I believe that there was 6 in a pack, I want to say, or 10, I can't remember. We also have some other gifts, a paddleboard and some mini bubble tubes. And we have some other party favors. We have a pack of pencil sharpeners. They're shaped as hearts. We have some stamps. And I just like this kind of stuff because you know what? To me, this is semi-bulk, I would say. I would call it bulk. Pencils. And there's this invisible light secret Valentine. I thought that was so cute. So there's a lot of new stuff here this time of year. And then, of course, we have like the regular paint sets, painting a rock. Painting a rock was very popular in the panini press, if you know what I mean. The COVID. A lot of people are painting rocks. Oh, I never want to go back to that time, honestly. Anywho, let's go on. And then we have these heart boxes, Be Mine. There's a lot of different styles in them. XOXO. And if you want to do some crafts, they have these hearts. I guess you could use these for like floral bouquets. We have heart stickers. I guess these are new. The beads hearts, the beaded hearts, those are new. So if you've come this far in the video, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing and comment and liking. I thank you, every single one who has watched my videos. It really means a lot to me. If you love this type of content, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas on what you want to see, just comment below. Anywho, let's continue on with our walkthrough. So we have some mini garland or mini ornaments. Some people have like mini trees. I just say this all the time. If I had a desk at a job, I would be decorating for every single season. Honestly, the stickers, my weak spot is stickers. Like on its weak spot is stickers. These are really cute. They have the bows. Just a lot of items, and they have some more stickers. These are so cute. I think I got something similar last year. And then we have some 3D stickers. Oh, look at these stickers. You don't want any more 3D stickers. I love all of them. Nice. Stickers are literally my weakness. I usually buy these to put into cards. Then we have a canvas tote if you want to put a little gift in there. Now these are new, and these are really nice. Hugs and kisses. I think you can use these. Actually, not sure. I guess you could use it for like gift tags and stuff or decorations. They're just so cute. So nice. Those are new this year. Then this is just an overview of all the bags that we have in store. I'm saying we like as if it's my store, but it's not. And I love this one the best because it has glitter. And then we have a lot of decorations. The hearts I found were so cute. They're giving me a little bit of like a retro vibe, like 1990s doilies, retro. Well, 1990s is not retro, but 70s. Then we have some garden
You
stakes.
should get
Be My
17.
Valentine. It looks like a conversation heart. Sweetheart, Kiss Me. And then, of course, gnomes. I'm hearing that gnomes are not that popular anymore, but for some reason they sell out at my store. Now, I just wanted to check the prices on these. I didn't realize they were $1.75, but they are. So I was just comparing. If you check out my comparison video, you'll see I was looking to compare Dollarama and Dollar Tree, and there is definitely a difference. So that's that. And then I was wanting to see what new stuff they have. So this is a new decor piece. I think this is going to be spring 2025, part of the collection. So let's have a look, and then you can see in the background there's another one. I was actually looking for stickers at this point, but they don't have a lot of selection of stickers at this store. Nonetheless, the stickers that they do have are really, really nice. And yeah, and they have patches. These are new. Those are definitely new. If you look on the right-hand corner at the top, that label, it's new. These butterflies, I was comparing the prices as well. Dollarama has the same thing, so you just got to choose your price. And also depends on what you want. In my previous videos also, I have a whole entire, well, not a whole entire video, but a video that specifically focuses on the stickers in part of the video. This store was so nice for stickers. I just want you to check them out. I should tag it below. Nonetheless, I'm going to give ode to the stickers and to the stamps because these are actually really expensive. And for some reason, Michael stopped carrying them in my location where I live. So I was highly annoyed. Like, you cannot get those kind of stamps. And you cannot get embossing sheets and stuff. So you have to order them online. If Dollarama got embossing papers, I would be so happy. Oh my goodness. I love embossing sheets and papers and stuff. Mother's Day is coming up. I know it seems far, but you know how time flies. Christmas came and went. Now we're on to Valentine's Day. Isn't that crazy? Here's some more butterfly stickers. And then this, I do like to get these packages of stickers because they're a good value. They come with lots of different kinds. And then they have like a foil page. Compared to like Michael's, this is a really good deal because Michael's has these. And even on clearance, they're like $3. I just wish they would have them all the time, but it's depending on the store. So let's keep looking to see what else we can find in here. Just, random craft stuff, craft supplies that I'm going to show you. This is really nice. I remember when gemstones used to be in a bigger pack and you would get more, but shrinkflation, what happens? So felting is very popular. So they have a few different kinds of felting kits. So there's a floral one and there's other different ones as well. I just want to have like a craft night and just craft all night. Actually, I want to do scrapbooking because scrapbooking is my favorite thing to do. But do I have time? And my craft room, I must say, is a disaster. Maybe one day I'll share that with you, but I'm just not in the place because I am highly embarrassed. This is a good mold. These are really good molds. You can use them for clay and for resin. This one has a heart in it too. So, oops. Always remember to put your stuff back because I've seen some videos where people say that their Dollar Tree is like horrid, like stuff everywhere. I'm thankful that my stores are pretty good and I can find things that I need. Occasionally it's a little messy, but the store was pretty good. So let's keep looking in the craft room. Remember when beads used to be so popular? Like wooden beads. Also, this pipe cleaners are so expensive at other stores. And I use pipe cleaners for a lot of things in crafting. And there's the paints. I find Dollar Tree doesn't have a huge selection of paints in my area. So that's that. And a few things here for crafting. And these are actually new. These are new. I'm curious to see what people do with them. I'm curious to see what the next viral item from Dollar Tree is going to be. So 2 different kinds. I mean, what would you guys make with this? For resin, if you do resin, that's a great item to have to make like resin art. paint. I love this gem canvas painting kit. Like, I'm gonna actually buy one and do it because I actually think this is so therapeutic. They have so many therapeutic things you can do. And if you go over to your right, you will see like the pegboards. I have never set it up. Has anybody set up the pegboards and used them? Also, craft paper, another crucial thing to have in your house. You always need craft paper, always need mailing envelopes. These are the type of things people come to Dollarama for, or sorry, Dollar Tree for. So, like I said in my previous video with the comparison, always check your prices all the time. All the time. We got to save money at any way we can. So let's see what else they have here. So calculators. So this is a pack of 8. Dollarama has them in a pack of 10. And I just love their stationery. I have so much stationery as it is, but I just love stationery. So Jot brought out these brand where they have like color coordinated ones. Dollarama has the same thing as well, different brand. And let's see what they have here. What is this? Desktop notepad. And they have a lot of notepads and pens. Well, occasionally you can find really good ones, but I find that the Dollar Tree notepads are just a little bit flimsy. See, and you always come to dollar stores for like pens and whiteboard markers and what else? Permanent markers, like the permanent black markers, because you know you're always labeling boxes and stuff. Very practical usage of Dollar Tree, but just make sure you be wise. Now this is really cute. I'm not sure how to style this. Maybe something for the garden. You always need twine. I swear, in the summertime, I feel like twine sells out. People are always needing twine. I'm always using twine at parties. I don't know why. And then if you want to make like a floral wreath, they have lots of selection of floral wreath items. I know people have said that their store doesn't have much items. You really have to check multiple stores. A lot of my videos, I do one store, but I'm usually checking about 3 stores a day because I want to bring you the most up-to-date finds, and that requires me going to many different stores. So if you want to find something, you really gotta check out many stores if you have time. So I'm assuming this is a spring 2025 new plate sets. I know the Christmas ones went viral, the evergreen ones. So this is more muted tones. In my previous video, you'll see that I have shown the ones with like spring and they have like the sunflowers. So I don't know if this is just their standard. I guess this is their standard for the new year. They have chargers. Compare prices on the chargers. I put all the chargers together because I just like to style it. And look how cute that looks on your table. I think that's cute. I think that's nice. And then they have more bowls and stuff like that. The red one is actually raised to have like dots on it. But then you have the gray one. You have the darker gray one. It's like a gray navy bluish, I would say. Or yeah. And then the red raised bowls. So now I ended up finding more Valentine's Day items. This item is new. Never seen this ever. I think these are light up. They're fiber optic. And then I have a lot of conversation hearts. I want to take a look at the cards. The cards are $1 here. Can't go wrong with cards. I think cards are so nice. Do you guys send out cards still? Is that like a lost art? Because I really do love cards. And then teddy bears. Very cute. These usually sell out pretty fast as well. So as you can tell, I'm in a different section at a different store. And their stickers are really good. Like I never seen these stickers before. Look at those trucks. I also do a lot of crafting at my job. So I'd like to see what stickers are available. Oh, look how cute that is. Sorry, my daughter's hand is in there. She wants to be in the video. Anyway, I just like how they color coordinated here. Those water bottles or water containers, those star ones are new. And then some more stickers. Wow, when I play back sometimes, I realize like, oh, look cute those stickers are. Then some more Valentine's Day items. I like the doilies. These are new this year. Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, Spider-Man. We have Elsa and Anna for Frozen. And then we have Moana. And then we have Spider-Man as well. Oh, and then there's Marvel Spider-Man. These also sell out very, very quickly. You see, when you have kids, you have to do this stuff ahead of time. Otherwise, it's the night before Valentine's Day and then nothing is done. So I'm preparing and starting things from now because the life that I live is so crazy. I got these stickers. I couldn't hold back. I got these stickers. Now, I wonder if Valentine's Day items go on clearance. Does anybody remember if Valentine's Day items go on clearance? Because I will wait to buy these stickers at 50% off. And then we have these beautiful ribbon. If you're making wreaths, it's actually really nice. The colors are really cute. And then this is a sticker in color. I'm not really sure what that was. I don't recall. And then the headbands. Just so much fun stuff. Then I went over to another craft section and another Dollarama. How cute is this? Painting by Gems. And these are also nice as well. Lots of crafting. I'm so sorry that this video is choppy. It's just because the way that the store is set up, everything is not all in the same area. Anyways, this is new. It's like a makeup brush that's in the stem of a rose. And then my favorite was this. These velvet ribbon. Like you could tell they're already almost gone. And there's these new candies. And see what else we have here. Some more chocolate candies. Some heart lollipops. This is new. And then these lip glosses are new as well. As you can tell, they're already being sold. And also, these are also new. These roses, very cute. And just a tip for the floral and the roses and stuff like that. If they're not electric or light up, if you put them in some hot steam or or water, it actually changes them and makes them more nicer because it can be quite stiff. So that's just my tip for you. So they have some socks. I haven't seen these last year. Valentine's Day socks. I guess the socks, the one with the letters, they come in many different letters, but there was only a K and a Q, so I don't know. I just want to show you guys these new candies, these new gummies. So the gummy sours, I haven't seen them at this location. And there's some Valentine's Day candy still there. I mean, Christmas. Now these Twizzlers are the limited edition flavor, pink lemonade. Never tried them. I'm sure they're so sweet. And I guess this is a standard color. Standard flavor. I just want you to see this. If you were getting helium balloons, these are the prices in my area. I'm curious to see how much helium is elsewhere. Now, this is at a different Dollar Tree. These teddy bears are new. They're cute. I don't love them, but they're all right. And then, of course, I wanted to see what stickers they have.